Hello. So we got another part to the series of restarting my whole entire life. So we got a new car. We just moved into a new apartment, and what would be a new apartment without an Ikea trip? So I have never been to Ikea. I mean, I have once, I think when the store first opened, and it was before I even lived on my own. I'm pretty sure I still lived at home. I was probably like 16 years old, but I haven't been there since. So I need some things. I kind of need some furniture. I need some organization type furniture, like everything a kitchen needs. I need a pizza cutter, maybe cups. I have a wine glass, maybe some mood lighting, just some things to just make the new place feel like home. So we're gonna go to Ikea. I also am starving, and I hear that they have some pretty good food, like Swedish meatballs and stuff, which I've never had, so let's go. Alright, so we parked at P2G. Pretty 2 gangster. Baby girl looks so good. We gotta get it for Instagram now. Woo! Alright, so I'm pretty excited. So it's not what I thought. I order here? Where are the meatballs? Why? Like they have the real food. How unfortunate. I just want to make sure. This one does. Oh my god. That would have been terrible. I would have missed out and it'd just be here all along. $5.60. Ooh, what are those? They have waffles. Swedish pancakes. We'll grab some of those before we leave for sure. Hey, not quite. Ooh, okay. Not quite what I was expecting, but we got some options that I'm pretty happy about. What we got? I got the sugar-free cola fountain drink. Here are the Swedish meatball sundaes. So it looks like the meatballs with some jelly on top. I did get a slice of their pizza, just cheese pizza with hella crust. Woodware? Oh. And there's potatoes underneath, I guess.
Spectacular. Give me 14 of them right now.
All right, pizza review time. One bite, never knows the rules.
Whoa. I thought it was gonna be fake and cardboardy, like a frozen cardboard pizza, but it's actually really light. It's good. So it looks like you can just ride with your cart down that escalator, so that's helpful to know. Because I was wondering, how am I going to get down all these stairs with whatever I'm buying? I would just grab one of these, kind of sliding all over the place. Okay, well we're... Oh my god, I f***ed up. Big time. I found the cafeteria. What the heck? Why wouldn't they say this is where all the good shit was? I had no idea. Okay, well, guess we just follow these arrows. It's kind of a cute bed frame. See, I like these lightings. Alright, let's lock in here. Pretty sure all of these carts need an alignment done because they're not doing too well. I need a coffee table too, but none of these are really tall enough. My couch is tall. I think just because it's so fluffy. Ooh, the hanging plants. Wants hanging plants. Oh, in the kitchen. I feel like I'm in somebody's house right now. Cute. Look at those hanging plants, how they're linked together. Okay. It's a nice toaster. Meh. Also need a new dresser. Ooh. I like this. I think I'll need it in black though. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're gonna we're just gonna zoom by all this stuff because, or maybe for me. Sharks! Should I get my son something when he comes home? How many dollars is this little teethers? A bear? Maybe we'll get him a shark or a whale. A panda? What is this, a heart? Yeah, we'll get him a little shark. We don't need a big shark. First thing we're buying is from the kids section. Ooh, look at these little masks. Here we go. Now we made it to the lighting. And now I need 4 lamps. There's actually like no overhead lighting in the apartment, so. Ooh. So I kind of like this centered black one with like the funky bowl. I just don't know if it'll actually provide any light. I don't know if any of these are really like speaking to me. I do know I want black. That's all I know. It doesn't come with a light bulb? This looks like it would be the light bulb, but it's not. And I don't see, because what I like about it is that red light, but I don't see where the light bulb would be. I think I found her. This looks like it, right? We got her. Okay, now we'll get her. What an interesting wall. Hell yeah. Alright, here we go. I feel like we're going down that slide at Waterworld again. Okay, okay. Going down this is completely unnecessary, but I had to do it. Whee! Oh no. Okay, well, you know, I did expect to go a little bit harder in there. My hair did pop out. The bands broke. So we got one pigtail. I didn't really get anything I needed. I got a lamp, which is cool. But I think we're gonna go to probably Target for like the 100th time. Okay, I've been running pretty crazy. So went to Walmart, I got a mirror. Right now we're at the Verizon store. I forgot I scheduled an appointment for 4 o'clock to upgrade my phone. I've been holding on to the 13 Pro Max for many releases and I don't want to get rid of it, but guys, it's crapping out, and you guys know our live streams, our whole relationship relies on my phone, so I need one that works. So we're gonna go see what upgrading looks like. Hi, so it's been a couple of days. So I went home and I found the things that we needed from Ikea. So we are heading back to the store now. To go pick them up. So I found a TV stand, a bookshelf for just like my computer stuff, my filming stuff, and I got like a little cabinet for the bathroom because my bathroom storage is severely lacking. So I got some things that I needed, and I feel like I got a lot of furniture for not a lot of money, so pretty stoked about that. But we're gonna go to the click and collect. Oh, no, we go straight, just kidding. Click and collect. Oh. Hi. Oh, I just take it? Nice, cool, thank you. I love my car so much, you guys. So cool. Oh god. Alright, now let's go do some Bob the Builder type shit. You did so good all by yourself. I know. Were you abandoned for a little over an hour? I know. My neglected son. No, I'm excited I got all this stuff, but I'm not excited to build it. Are you gonna help or what? You're just gonna stand there real cute? Jesus! Might not look heavy, but I promise you it is. Odin, you're not really helping. Okay. This one might be the TV stand. We got that good stuff. The bag kind of fell apart. Do a little Target haul before we end this video. I got a strainer, which you're gonna sit on while I talk to you. Which my camera might die. So if it dies, like and subscribe. I love you so much. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching the vlog. I love you. Goodbye. Ooh, you want another one? Get it! Good job! Good job, Husky! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Careful with the computer. Be careful over there. Here. Hopefully the music on the TV is not getting copyrighted because it's just like relaxing music for dogs. I got this, it's a diffuser, which I am not very familiar with diffusers, but it's black honey vanilla with notes of almond, rum, spice caramel, and musk. So it sounds sexy, fits my vibe. Sexy. I needed a measuring cup, some more hand soap, rawhide bones for the sun. You can take it, good boy. An outlet for my TV stand once we get it set up. Dave's sweet and spicy pickle chips. I've been really loving this Starbucks blonde roast iced coffee with oat milk, horchata shaken espresso. Holy fuck, it's delicious. Protein yogurts, 23 grams of protein, so I drink at least one of these a day. Glass Tupperware so that I can meal prep. I got another candle. This one's Black Dahlia Molasses. Sexy, fits the vibe. Another Tupperware. And I needed to get a mixing bowl, which I think that was only $5. Regular price was $25 and I got it for $5.70. Okay, well that's the Target haul. And yeah, I'm gonna build my new Ikea furniture. So I'm gonna set up the TV stand right over here underneath the TV. Just kind of like right here. It'll go along the bottom. I got it in black. And then I got a bookshelf for this corner so I can put all of my like filming equipment on it. Do you want out there? Bless you. This is not for you. Excuse you. So if you ever need an Ikea date, call me. I'll help you load up whatever you need. Help you shop, whatever you need, just feed me meatballs.